With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Phase difference between voltage and current in a AC circuit containing a resistor and an inductor in series is given. It is phi 1. When the inductor is replaced by a capacitor, the phase difference is phi 2. The phase difference when all the three elements are connected in series with AC source will be. So if you see, when the inductor and resistor are connected in series, let's say like this, and when the capacitor and the resistor are connected in series, like if I say this is the and like this. So if I say this is the resistor and this is the XL inductor, inductive reactance, and this is the capacitive reactance, and this is the resistor, right? XL and XC are inductive and capacitive reactance respectively. Inductive and capacitive reactance. So if you see here, if I talk about the phi 1 and phi 2, so it is said that this angle here is phi 1 and this angle here is phi 2. Right. So if I write down phi 1 and phi 2, you can see that this tan phi 1 is equals to XL by XR and tan phi 2 is equals to XC by XR. Right. If you see, it is given that the phase difference between the voltage and the current is phi 1 for the first case and phase difference is phi 2 for the second case. Now they are connected in series. The three are connected in series. Like this. And here this is XL and this is XC. Right? So when they three will be connected, what will be the phase difference? So if you see here it will be XL minus XC and here it will be R. This is XL minus XC and this will be R. So I will write down, if I say this is making a phase phi here, so I will write down tan phi is simply XL minus XC by R, that is XL by R minus XC by R. Put the value. XL by R is tan phi 1, XC by R is tan phi 2 is equals to tan phi. Take tan inverse, so I will write down phi is equals to tan inverse tan phi 1 minus tan phi 2. This is the answer of this question, mod of this. Now you can check for the option here. So if you see, the correct option here will be B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.